Today I found what was hiding inside this piece of steel. It is, by the way, Husaberg 280. It has a tensile strength of 500 megapascal. Imagine, I found this one inside. This is the holder of the rear wheel hub for the single-sided swing arm. I have machined it not to the finished ID, but I left it at 103. It should be 105 when it's finished. But I guess with all that welding going on the swing arm, it will twist. So the final machining will be in the mill. And I welded these clamps in the back of it, and once it's in place I will sew it up so it will be possible to clamp the rear wheel. And also Mossbergs Mekaniska turned up with these beauties. The sides of the frame, they are finished now. In the material is Alumek. That's a brand from the company Udholm. It's a very tough material, reed expensive. And so these will be eloxated black, and once that's done we'll just mill off a couple of hundreds so that these will be shiny. That would be a nice effect, I think. So I hope to find in this piece one of these lying around. We'll see. It's a lovely spring day here in Sweden today. Sun is shining. Grass is starting to grow. It's about 11 degrees plus. Where could it be better spent than in the comfort of your own workshops, safely away from those hazardous sun rays? Alright, bending a 2-inch pipe turned out to be a real drag. I tried it with 1.6 millimeter wall thickness without any sand. It looked like that, totally goner. And then I tried it with the same wall thickness packed with sand. It was better, still a pain. And then I swapped to a thicker pipe. The tube has 0.095 in wall thickness. That corresponds to 2.4 millimeters. And it turned out almost good, but it's still not good enough. So, and this was packed with sand also. So I've been trying to see what does the big guys do when they bend pipes, tubes, to make it work with a bending machine. Mandrel is needed. So I tried to make myself to add a mandrel to the tube bending machine we already got access to. So I got this this tube here with a rod inside, which is supposed to hold the mandrel or the core. From the inside there is 2 beams like this. This goes into on the inside, and to be able to fit the other one on the inside I had to make it in one part. So I hope I can do it like this. This pin will take the thrust, and then just have a bolt here that will fix it so it won't move. So, and then this will be attached to the bending machine, and I have machined bronze cores. One that will fit onto here. This will be more or less fixed to the shaft. And then I made two segments. One with a little smaller diameter and then one with the original inside diameter of the tube. So these will fit onto here. The thing with making this one a little bit smaller is that if there is a wrinkle, this will take a little bit of it and this one will take the final push back. And then you have to, I think, let this one go a little bit so you can follow the curve inside the bend like this. And then you just put the tube that you're going to bend over this one. It's a very precise fit. And I can bend tubes that are 1.5 meter with this one. So now it's off to the tube bending machine. Keep your fingers crossed, please.